Yo, yo, yo. Back with another one, people. Back with another one. And I hope all is well. Hope everyone's doing okay. All that good stuff. Today is Tuesday, May 20th. We're going to pop up the economic calendar to see what we got on there. So let me go and pop that up there real quick. All right. I'm going to be using Forex Factory. Again, today is Tuesday, May 20th. Monday, we had nothing. Tuesdays, there's nothing. So the same rules apply today as they did yesterday. In order for me to take a trade, it has to jump out at me. Yesterday, we took a trade at, I think it was like 9:30. It's a 9:30 BISI. Wicked into it. And then we took off from there. Oh my goodness. Can I see something or what? You ain't gonna let me? Oh wait, maybe that's why. So I ain't doing it right. Bear with me. I'm learning. Bear with me. There we go. It'll take a little time to load it. Again, thanks for the patience. We're gonna go to our higher time frame so we can see what we've done and where we are. So again, we got this daily BISI buy side, sell side imbalance where sell side hasn't been delivered. I'll change that from 5 minutes to a daily. Daily BISI. Like I said, my draw on liquidity is this, but on the higher time frame, we have all this left open. So in order for me to even consider taking this down here, I'd have to get a close below this daily BISI, and hence we have not yet. We wicked into it. So we're going to focus on longs until we see otherwise. 5 minute. See what the market did this morning. Let's see. We ran New York PM low. Sell side I have marked out. And we ran the Asian low. And technically, what's still left open in this daily is this bottom half right here. Well, let's see. Look what we did. This high disrupted here. Stayed in a range between here and there until this low disrupted this high disrupted everything there. Interesting. Let's go to 15 minutes, see what we see. So that was another daily imbalance that was closed. So all we have left is this on the daily. And again, with there being nothing on the economic calendar, whatever move, long or short, I would like to see it jump out at me. Like just like yesterday. We'll go back to yesterday. I'm on my computer a little earlier than normal. Oh yeah, yesterday we took it down into here. And then cut one here, and then I think it was here. I cut it at the halfway of the opening range gap from yesterday. Yeah, so I cut here, and then so I went here, and then here, and I left it alone yesterday. Which you guys will see in the executions when I decide to put them up. So today, so my weekly draw is up here. So that means whatever short is taken is the retrace to unseat someone to get up there. Let's see. Above the daily, wicked into it. Let's go 1 hour so we can see some. Oh, wait, that is 1 hour. 4 hour. And 4 hour shows extreme. Shows bull. Like we're bullish. 1, 2, 3, and even on the daily. I would say as of Thursday, May 8th, wick down to this, took off. Crazy part is what happens on the higher time frames happens on the smaller time frames. It's just there's a lot more time in between the moves. Came down, wicked into it, took off. Got another one here. Again, up and over it, wicked into it, stayed above half, took off. Oh, wrong one. And now we wait. Now we wait. So where's my first presented fair value gap? That's from Friday. And we're gyrating. Where's Mondays? There's Mondays down in there. 21,270. And we are rejecting off of Friday, May 16th, first presented fair value gap. Look at that. Wicked into it. Stayed in the bottom half. I'm about to put that on my chart so I can see it. So that's Friday. And we're going to put Mondays in there so we could see that as well. Now we're looking for equal lows or equal highs. So we're looking for something that is pretty straight. That's pretty, those are equal highs. This is jagged. Looks like a saw. That's pretty smooth. But then it said, see what's on the higher time frame. You got all this down here. So maybe this isn't the draw for this week. Was a Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's 3 days left. Let's see, we got news. The only time we have news is on Thursday and Friday. Wednesday, there's nothing. Thursday, unemployment claim 7:30, flash manufacturer PMI at 8:45, and then 9 o'clock existing home sales on Thursday, and then Friday new home sales. So economic calendar has nothing up until Thursday. And we got nothing until Thursday. Premium wick. Stayed below halfway. Excuse me. So we stayed above halfway of the highest wick. Daily. Creeping up on 9 o'clock, 8:57. So we've literally been technically range bound between here and there through Asian and London. So we got a low here, high there. We're stuck in between these two ranges. Not sure where the draw is today, but this Friday's first presented fair value gap. We're rejecting off of it. The only high up here is that. Where is there more lows? Where is there more than one thing resting? Got all this down here. Got these two here. You just have this single high here. See, we'll go hourly and then we'll scroll to the right. Yeah, that's my buy side up there. So again, we'll take the first presented fair value gap, or we'll wait and see what the market presents us and what it gives us, and respond accordingly. We don't react, we respond. So now we wait. So London high was already ran. Let's take a look at ES. So London high was ran. It has these resting, which is New York AM low from yesterday and a London low from yesterday, which would be it's Monday's first presented fair value gap is 8:30, 8:35. So what does being above that first percent if I already got my first target would be returning into it. What's that? Monday, May 19th. We got no spaces in between. And now we wait. I'm gonna get some tunes. Oh, darn it. Frick. Switch account. View all channels. Huh? Why are you doing that? Okay. Dang, of course. I don't remember no passwords. Let me see. Let me see. I hope that's the right password. Oh, there we go. Not now. I don't feel like doing that right now. I don't feel like doing that either. Just want to give me some tunes. Oh, my camera wasn't even on the whole time. Well, hello, guys. Oh, that's funny. First week set. Yeah, see, we're ranged. Literally, you'd have to break this or that. Break this. I would say that. You break that, I would say that. So we'll just wait. Again, we'll wait until that first percent of February gap or 10 o'clock silver bullet. Whatever move it is, it has to jump out at me. It's to say, hey, I'm here, I'm ready, let's go. And if it don't, we take nothing. And then I'm going to measure this London session. So we right at equilibrium. Let me turn this alarm off too. Alarm clock. So we're Gucci Bando. We're at halfway of that first presented fair value gap from Friday, May 16th. Look at that, man. Like, look at it. Just back and forth. Like, literally just back and forth. So, our down close candle support and price. Yes. We got old school ways. We expose that. Ain't no guarantees, but you know that. Yeah, we'd have to break one of these ranges. Yeah, because we got a high here and a low here, and we have not left this and that. So we have not left this. So this is our low. This is our high in the London range. Just been chopping in between it. Where your roads at? Where your backbone? Where your code at? Where your down since day one real bros at? And again, this looks obvious. It's too clean. You got one, two, three. If I draw straight line, this one jagged. Again, this looks like a saw. Like something is already cut through it. And when you cut, you want straight lines, unless you're making a shape or circles or things like that. Oh, look at the little doggy running the street. That dog thugging. Frick. So I wonder, that must be, again, it could literally go either way. Like it could literally go either way. You got a high up here, buy side. You have daily Bissy down here that's still open. You have Monday's first presented fair value gap that we haven't retraced it to. And then also from last week, we still haven't retraced into Monday's range from last week. So yeah, I'm not. I ain't gonna say I know. Like this is my draw, but It's what's going to happen in between. How do we get there that I need to watch and pay attention to? Because like I said, this is clean. This is not. Then I look down here. Well, what else is clean? It's jagged. Again, we'll see. We'll respond accordingly. But as of right now, dude, I don't see anything. Oh, excuse me. It might be one of them days where I do nothing. Just collect data. Okay. We have 5 minute. Busy. On my feet up on the top floor. Yeah, excuse me. On my feet up. Let's go to regular trading and see what's still open. So this came down, deceeded all of that. Came back up. All that's gone. And when I say gone, I'm just saying like the people that had a buy stop there, if they didn't take anything or closed it, market, their buy stop was hit. So that's what I was saying. What I mean when I say gone, like here, if you didn't close it or take profit, your sell stop was hit down here. Taken, deseated, dethroned, and then ran the other way. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. I said something. If it jump out, we'll take it. But again, I'm hesitant because of all of this, man. Like it's just literally back and forth. I'm gonna take two. Maybe. Buy. There we go. We'll put our stop loss. 54 ticks. Take profit. We'll go there. We'll take it right at the high. And now we wait. We'll see. Yeah, we'll just wait. Again, I went long because it's just too clean. Too clean. If I get stopped out, you know, it is what it is. Up to 5 minutes, see what's See what's happening on that 5 minute. One minute busy. And then what we're gonna do is gonna encompass that as well. Let me see. Where are you at? And then we're gonna do that. You know what? I might take one at the top of this first presented fair value gap. But again, I would like to see you come up here, but all this is open. So that's where it's like, I don't know. And that's why I'm saying I might just cut it at the top half. Or at least cut one at the top half and then see if we can get up there. 5 minute higher time frame. Look at what we're doing. We're wicking into this 5 minute busy while staying above it. We got this civvy here. And that's where I'm like, well, maybe I should wait until we get up here. Because the only other thing is these equal highs up here. Well, like I said, we'll wait and see what we do at the top half. Yeah. Got a 1 minute civvy here. So price could retrace up into that. Change that to a civvy. $5 minute. I see that's too clean. Like that's too clean to me. Again, if I'm wrong, my son. BC. Okay, so now we are where? We're at halfway of, what was this? Friday's May 16th, first presented fair value gap. See, we just ran buy side there. Yeah, we're just gonna close it and wait. We're gonna close it and wait. Wait for that first presented fair value gap. And look at that, man. I ain't. So it's a 5 minute civvy. That is hilarious. You close it and then it runs. That's That's hilarious. That cracks me up. Yeah, we'll just watch. Close it and just watch. Yeah, I should have left that open. I should have kept it. Because why? Well, because this 5 minute Bitsy stayed open. Trust your higher time frame. Like, look at that. 5 minute stayed above halfway and a 1 minute. 5 minute stayed above halfway. These wicks just scared me. I can't cap. They scare me because again, low probability is both sides, and here I'm trying to trade in both sides. Wait for either a high or low to be taken, and that's what we gonna do, man. Ain't no rush. Back to life. Back to reality. Back to consequent encroachment of Friday's first presented fair value gap. And one thing we do know is that if the market is spending time in these PD arrays, that is what high was a high liquidity, high resistance liquidity run. Means it's gonna get somewhere, but it's gonna lollygag, smell the flowers, kick some rocks, throw some things on the way there. Low resistant liquidity run is literally tying on my boots and we running. We going right there. No pit stops, no nothing. We gone. So we're in between two. Wow. So we're literally in between a 5 minute Sibby and a 5 minute Bissy. Wicked into both. No, we ain't doing none of that. We about to sit and watch. Yeah, we ain't doing none of that one. Because technically, if you can see both sides, that is low probability. Even though this is my draw, look at what we're doing. Wicked, wicked. So it could literally go boom, stay here, go low, boom, stay, go high. Like I said, I was long. I wanted to see these. Um, I mean, I didn't get stopped in a loss. I closed it, rejecting off the 5 minute Sibby. Get rid of that 1 minute. Get rid of that too. I don't see any. I mean, unless it wants to take those equal lows, relative equal lows. Got this down here. That looks jagged. That looks jagged. This is smooth. Like you see, smooth, jagged. Looks like saw teeth. Smooth, jagged. So I would say my draw again is still up here. We'll let it do whatever it's doing now. It may not. It may be one of these trades where I don't even take a trade this morning. I think I got until about 11 o'clock. Okay, so now since single pass over it, I want to see this treated like an inversion to go grab something down here. But we're not touching it. We're just gonna sit, wait and watch. And let's treat it like inversion. Stayed in the bottom half. We're gonna lower the risk. Yeah, see. So, well, what's the draw? I'm not sure because we got Mondays, 1st% of February, got which we can trade back into, especially with it being Tuesday. So let's treat it like inversion. I guess you got equal lows down here at 21,377.70. But I mean, you'd have to get through London lows first to even consider that. So, hey, like I said, it might be one of them days where my bias is wrong. If it is, so be it. The key is to preserve capital, collect data. That's really all we're doing. Okay, so that it did treat it as an inversion. 5-minute BISI here, single candle over it. Want to see it stay in the bottom half. Treat this as inversion to go lower. That's what we got. I keep my head up above this water. Oh, okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see. I see. And we wicked up into it right here. Again, I didn't take it because my bias is up here. And what are we doing? London low. Excuse me. Okay. See, that seems, I guess that's relatively equal. And then we got these up here, man. Man. I keep my head above this water. Yeah, sell side. This is the garbage star got me stuck up at the red light. So we stopped right there at the sell side. Yeah, I'm about to put that back on there so I can have a visual so I can see. I write this song inside my speakers never know what's ahead. I know my mind's in, but who am I to? When music speaks to, that's when I know. All right, we got our opening range gap. Close to their open. Alt Shift E. Hey, learn something new. So same thing here with that happened up there on the 5 minute. I want to see it traded. Create it. Blah, 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 create it. I want to see it treated. Inversion. Ran sell start here. Didn't go for this low. Opening range gap consequent encroach. Oops. Everyday tax season. What the you wearing, bro? It's tacky. Deathbed trying to match me. Oh my god, I'm about to do the fool. Switch it. You just sound like the zoo. I ain't talk to you, Mr. Ben Frank murderer. I ain't heard of you. Stupid turbulence. Car services. Nervousness. Hey now, say now. So what was ran? This right here. It's a bird. It's playing no song blue strip. What? Oh, 5 minute busy. Look at that. Right at halfway. Oh, no first presented fair value gap yet. Like I said, my draw is up here. And this was treated like an inversion, so I should have went long here. Top half of 1 minute. Cibi. Again, I want to see it still treated as inversion. Again, I'm looking for something that jumps out at me. Should have held on to this one, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's not how we operate. Yeah, I don't. Nah. So this was the only one. I let that go. I closed it. We still don't have a first percent of fair value gap. So now this five. Oh, nope. If this closes, single candle over it. Want to see stay in the bottom half, and then that means something down here that we're interested in. I will take it down into Monday's first presented fair up if what I just said holds true. Well, there's no rush. There's no fear. There's no greed. We just wait, patience, and respond accordingly. That's it. Higher time frame. So we get that single close over it. Um, we're not interested in this right now. But this is still open. That's the only thing still open. We still haven't got it. Oh, there it is. Well, I guess not yet because this hasn't closed. Wait for first presented fair value gap, and we got it right here. Get rid of that. So what's that? Tuesday, May 20th. Okay, so the way we're wicking off of this, I think my draw is down here. I don't think we're interested in anything up here yet. And I only say that because on the daily, only thing that's left open is this down here. Let's measure this. Uh-oh. So we close below this. I would say attack that. That's kind of where we're headed. Actually, no, let me put that on there so I can see. I'll make that purple. All right, we just ran a sell side here. So this excuse me. Mm-hmm. I'm buying. And I bought because we ran sell side here. So that was a cue for me to go long. And plus, as well, we wicked in the top half of this. My liquidity is up here, or I'm not going to say my liquidity. That's what I'm targeting is these equal highs up here. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We'll see what happens. $9.40. Oh, my stomach making weird noises. What the hell? I ain't heard that one before. So I need to pay attention to this right here. That is a Sibby. And we get stopped out. We are done for the day. Yeah, we're just going to watch. So we took one loss so far. One loss, two trades. Yeah, I'm today kind of got me messed up today. Yeah, kind of got me messed up today. This one's a hard one. Because again, my draw's up there, but look at this. I'll wait for it. Jump off at us, remember? And if it don't, we don't take a trade. See, that's sell side. That's sell side. No, sell side down here too. Jump to James. And I'm with Scott. Don't let me fill it up. Remember, wicks do damage, bodies tell the story, and look what we're doing. We're staying within this. Staying within it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna sit and watch because I'm not sure. I don't know. Like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna pretend like I do. Because first presented fair value gap, if I did it right, it's classified as a SIBI. My draw is up there, so I want to see that treated as inversion. It's if I have my draw right and all that stuff right. And it's like, well, why would you want to see it go up there? Oh, that's equal highs. And we just ran these, unless it wants to go down here, which, again, that's another equal low. That was consequent encroachment of this wick. No candle, I should do the bodies. So that's the body. Here is including the wicks. So if I include the bodies, we are right at halfway. I include the wicks, halfway's down here, or the wick, halfway's down here. I'll be going for like an hour. Cool. Okay. I look at that. Our bodies do damage, wicks tell the story. good? All right, cool. Gucci Bando. Oh, low battery. Dang, I wonder if I could switch. I mean, fuck it. I mean, if it dies, it dies, I guess. If it dies, stream's over. If it dies, the stream's over. I'm done and done. Cooked. So I've taken 2 trades thus far. So we wouldn't close that. So again, if my drawn liquidity is here, I want to see this Cibi. Yo, man, I was talking to myself. I didn't even realize the mic died. Ain't that about a beat? Good thing I got two of these pieces. Let me see. How did I connect that like this? Wonder how long that mic been dead. I've been talking to myself. Excuse the noises. Fixing the mic. Mic work. So today's first presented fair gap is a true civvy. So that lets me know my draw is down here somewhere. But as far as me taking something, nah. There's nothing that jumps out at me. This is the one I should have taken down into here, but I wanted this up here. But now I know my draw is down here. Market wants something down here. Yeah, look how these are staying within it, man. Five minute. Let me check this mic again. Make sure it didn't turn off. All right. Gucci Bando. I got like another hour with you guys, and I'm gonna chat. And we're staying within these February gaps. And that is defined as high resistance liquidity run. Whole lot of back and forth, lollygagging, smelling the roses, kicking stuff, throwing things on the way there. That's what we did this morning. She getting there, but she throwing a fit. Yeah, if we can get a retracement up in there, I'll go short down into first presented fair value I got from yesterday. And that will be the last trade for today for me. I don't think longs are on the table as of right now. I think the market wants to go and get either efficiencies or liquidity. So I need to find efficiencies or liquidity. Inefficiency, inefficiency, liquidity, and then there's probably liquidity down there too. I mean, I'm not gonna say probably because if you went long here, you didn't take nothing, you're probably still holding. I mean, if your pockets are deep enough, I guess. I guess deep enough pockets can sit through all kinds of retracements. Not I. I'm gonna go. Why does it do that? I wanted to go short, but there's everything. Wanted to go short, but it didn't take it. I guess I didn't hit the button hard enough, I suppose. Well, it's alright. Missing nothing. Oh, it's gonna take forever to render these videos. Oh my. Mhm. Man, what a difficult day. Like, see, I'm glad I didn't go short. Oh, excuse me. Glad I didn't go short. I need me a new chair too. Oh snaps! I'm about to fall. uh, okay, now if I want to go short, it'd be there. But again, I'm not convinced. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I gotta get to bed earlier. That's for sure. Again, I'm letting it go because I really don't like this market this morning. I might come back at the PM about 12:30, 1 o'clock ish, because I would expect that to run. What time is it? Oh, not yet. So it'd been 9:50 to 10:10, in which 9:50 this candle to 10:10 that candle. Look at this, man. We're just gonna preserve capital, uh, preserve mental capital as well, because we wicked again. And normally we want to see price leave PDRAs, not hang around in them. On his own, man. My new sound like a soul train. Tookie wheels over cold train. Tiny Lokes and they go crazy. Have you ever seen a whole thing? Fucked up with a dope page. Volume imbalance. Or it's not. Or, Checking. Let's see what ES is doing. Same thing. Choppy Chop Fest. Again, it's tradable. I'm just not seasoned enough to trade it. Traded it. Not seasoned enough to trade it. And there's always something. Let's see what dollar's doing. Just kind of curious. Because if dollar goes up, we're expecting indices to go down. Let's see what the 5-minute structure looks like on there. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know. Uh-oh. Keep looking at the Nazi. The NASDAQ. My goodness, man. Bruh. I go to bed earlier. The West Side too, yes, mine. What you know about? The poster on the wall of the dealership. Leaving in the bed, legs trembling. Getting banged on for the penalties. What you know about? Your response be the reason you exist. That's a champagne spill and the collar serrate and the beat gonna cry. I'm finally gonna get my long that I've been looking for all day. So again, previous day's range, constant encroachment, including the wicks, is here, and just the body is literally right below the first presented fair value gap of today. So again, I don't know. I don't know where we want to go. I still up here because liquidity there. Close that. Next liquidity is here. But I mean that's close, so you'd have to come all the way down here. So again, I don't know, man. And if I don't know, I ain't doing nothing. Just like I tell my children, man, if you don't know, don't do it. If you don't know, don't do it. So yeah, I don't know. Rather sit and watch and figure it out versus saying, fuck it. Gambler, take the wheel. We ain't doing that today. I've done that too many times. Too many times. We're just like, you know what? We're going to see what happens. And that is the gambler speaking. We ain't doing that. Yeah, see, we're returning right back to the first presented. We're not back to it. We're at the bottom half of it. Man, eaten alive. Rah, 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 rah. Jaded. Oh, you know. Oh, I had to get back. Just cancel time to nickel and diamond. You got me a girl, she don't want her diamonds. A daily reminder to hire a guy. Where did you find her? Good looking, my nigga. Step backwards. I'm done with all that tough acting. John, man, what I saw happen. I think I made it. No. Like what? Back to the first presented fair value gap again. And that is classified as SIBI. I'm about to double check, make sure I got the right one. So I'm not classifying the wrong thing. No, that's it. 935. There's no, that's 927. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so if my drawing liquidity is up here, what do I want to see? I want to see up close candle, over it. Next, stay in the top half, go higher. Up here, 21,487.00. Song cue. Sawed off when I sawed you, when I called you, when the sunshine and the wind dried up. On a pit bull for you, I'll be on chain tied up. Yeah, no. No. Hanging out in the PD array. Just kicks in it. Like, what's up? I had to get low. Oh, I had to get back. Now we're in the bottom of the first presented fair value gap. Nothing's closed above half. Creeping up on 10:30. We're at 2020 to 10:24. 10:24. 10:24. I'd rather just sit and do nothing and just watch. I tried 3 times this morning. One I closed too early. Other two were losses. So yeah, be here until about 11 o'clock. And then after that, I'm gonna go do my stuff I need to go do. My daily chores done. Hoping the weather clear out so we can get out and skate, man. It's been raining the past 2-3 days. Yeah, I ain't messing with this. We're staying within a range. Like I said, we'll maybe come back to PM and see what happens. There again, there's nothing that says, hey, take a trade. The one I should have took was this one this morning. But again, I didn't take it because I wanted to see longs. I was looking for this up here. Which again, I still think is in, I think that's the play. Because it's equal. I mean, not equal, but it's even. It's too clean. We know what equal highs like to be made jagged. And look, that's jagged. Ooh, excuse me. What is going on? I pledge allegiance. Deed your chins is folded. I've been on my research shit. 15 minute. See, even on the 15 minute, there's no inefficiencies. All we have is liquidity and then inefficiency there. But then we have this here we didn't touch. Uh, Remember, this is halfway of previous day's range, including the wicks, and then halfway, including just the body, is literally right below today's first percent of February gap. So discount, discount, premium. Again, man, I don't know. I'd rather just sit and do nothing versus giving it up, giving it all back. Today's one of those days. If you made money and you didn't close it, you didn't take nothing, you are probably shaking in your boots. I said, unless you got deep ass pockets and sit through crazy retracements. Ah, okay, I missed that. Again, bodies tell the story. Wicks do the damage. So what is the story being portrayed here? As I see it, because stories can be interpreted in all kinds of different ways. But the way I see it is, this is a 1 minute Cibi. So if our draw is up here, I want to see this Cibi used as inversion, which failed. So if my draw is down here, I want to see this act as a true Cibi. Wicked, stay below. And again, the bodies tell the story, the wicks do the damage. So what is the story that's being portrayed here? Look, nothing's above halfway. Wicked up, stayed. So open, close. We wick through, close, open, close, wick through, open, close. So the story right now is shorts, as I see it, at least. As I see it. But again, today's one of the difficult days. This morning I seen both sides. We know if you can formulate both sides, that's a low probability. Like I said this morning, I wanted something that was going to jump out at me, just as it did yesterday. Kind of jumped, but I jumped in too early and too soon. But again, that's okay. It's part of the process. It's part of this learning curve and this journey. And the crazy part is, from where I started and where I am now, two completely different people. Like two completely different people. And there's days where I go back and look at my journal. It's like, you really thought that was going to work? You really thought you had this figured out? But guess what? You don't know shit. Oh man, I know absolutely nothing. It's a man on a mission, trying to learn, trying to figure it out. That's it. I won't quit. I won't give up. I'm gonna die doing this. Like, this is it. I've made up my mind. I know how to do it. Just sometimes I don't do it right, and I let my environment, my emotions dictate how I trade. And man, like I said, learning two different people. Other time I would have panicked. I would have pushed a bunch of buttons. But no, I see it. There's nothing here. Like, we're range bound. Still. From here to there. So we're literally being held. I said 30 minutes, 11 o'clock. I'm outie. I'm Audi 5000, baby. We'll see what happens. We need to put in the work. Fuck it, that I'm right. Yeah, what I want to listen to. Let's see if I can find me some Russ. Oh, that's what's next. Wait, what? Schoolboy Q is going to be in the United Kingdom on July 7th. Good for him, man. Who'll be in Germany? I didn't even know. What? Good for him, man. He's going to be in France, Australia. That's so awesome. Still touring, still doing his thing, man. That is so awesome. That is so awesome. Seeing the world doing your work. Man, one day, one day, one day, one day. Hmm. Y'all can't phase me. I know y'all just want my baby. Every month at least. Can we at least? Mm-hmm. Some houses too. I can never get laid off. I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't see nothing. See that short this morning. But other than that, nothing. Saying this is the short I'm referring to. So this is like the only thing waking up in the here, or I'm sorry, waking up in the here at 921, running down to here. But other than that, I don't. Again, it's the one I should have took, but I wanted to see longs, so I just one sided there, down in here, or there. Take one, two. But again, that's okay. Are we gonna get it into lunch? Sometimes I start missing you crazy, quite like you. Yeah, no. Trying to wait until 11 o'clock, but I don't even know if I want to sit through this, man. Like 20 minutes. And it's not that I don't want to sit through it. It's just, again, preserving mental capital. There's nothing here right now. The one, the one I should have let run, I closed early, and that's okay. It didn't even come to the stop loss, and I closed it. But again, learning a lesson. No losses, just lessons. Everything, just lessons. From the worst of the worst or the best of the best, just lessons. Start missing you crazy, quite like you. Oh, let's see what ES is doing. Oh, that's British pound. Oh, that's crazy because NASDAQ doesn't have this. Like, NASDAQ does not have that. Or does it? Oh, god damn it. What am I doing? See? Look at the whole picture. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision. And that's another, man, it's another topic. I find myself doing that quite a lot. That's why it is important to zoom out at times and check your higher time frames. And like I said, this is what I want to see. If we can close above that, we're going long. Go down, wick into it. We going long, baby. We're going long. Up into this. Nope, didn't get it. Dang, so that, see, that's where you have to pay attention to everything. Not one little speck here. You have to pay attention to the whole thing. Because if I would have seen this just now, and I only seen it by switching to ES, if I would have seen that, I would have known, okay, well, I have to wait. I still long, still want longs, but I literally have to wait. Again, that's okay. I'm okay with that. Oh, excuse me. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Okay, so we're not interested in shorts. We literally ran down there to take sell stops. Okay, so again, we have to, bigger picture, it can't be tunnel vision because what happened? Well, we came down, closed this busy, and again, bodies, what do they start doing? Staying within, staying within. Wicks do damage, bodies tell the story. I mean, that's still, I could still take that if I wanted to, but that's so awesome. Like, that is so awesome. Even though, so I literally just have to wait, like, just wait, be patient, and not have tunnel vision, man. Hello? All right, making sure that mic didn't die. Already happened one time. One time. I'm still there. Like, if I can get a retracement into Tuesday or into this today, We'll go long because all this down here. But that might be treated as the breakaway. I want to see that treated as the breakaway. Let me see what my 5 minute. See, this is where it's like, dude, you should have waited for that retracement. Because now your stop loss literally has to go all the way down here. Or, again, this is treated as a breakaway. Oh, shit. Okay. See, and I did not warrant this. I didn't leave enough room for that. I should have waited, take this, see if we can get back up there to continue to go higher. So I could either close it or open my stop loss wider. It makes sense to close versus opening up more risk. So if anything, it'd make more sense to close it. Mr. Alpha and Omega. This is not a zone. I can get. Please on, man, baby. Just get like I can, baby. Direction, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in this. It's not enough. But it's not enough. But it's not enough. Say it bigger than myself. I get on the ass. Somebody gotta do it. I'll make niggas mad. Alright, well, we're creeping up on consequent encroachment. Say it bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Let's delete that so we have some room and we know what we're looking at. And I don't like the way that is operating. I want to see if we get above consequent encroachment of that. But somebody got to do it. Put my foot up on the gas and somebody got to do it. Turn this TV off. Turn this TV off. Ain't no other people who's rapping your siblings. One shot, they disappearing. It was the freeze tag. It was pass. 50K from the show. See, and that's where I'm like, because literally it's down here, so want to see you get above that, but I don't know if we're going to. Let me see. 2 minute, 3 minute. I don't think that's the case. Seeing this is where it's like, nope. You stay above this, go higher. Oh, nope. Got a minute 29 left in that candle in the 5 minute. We have not wicked back into that, so close above that. 14 seconds, 13 seconds. Like ideally, okay, we getting there. Okay, we're above. Cool. Do I think we're gonna get up there? I mean, we got to get this first. That's still open. Ticks. And look how we're right at consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. I want to see something close above this. Let me check this microphone. All right, we're good. Like, that's what I would like to see, close above this opening range gap. But 7 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, we're gonna close up. Because you're gonna retrace down into there. And if you don't, whatever. Because we have not wicked back into that. And I got 10 minutes. She could do absolutely nothing. All right, let's see. What did we do today? We got 9 minutes. Let's see. We had 2 winners. 1, 2. I don't know if I would classify those as winners. I mean, you know what? Yeah, those are 2 winners. It's more than I had. We got 2 losers, 2 longs. So that's Gucci. That is so funny. That is hilarious. I'm glad I closed it. I shouldn't even enter it. I should have waited. literally stopped at exactly halfway. Oh, excuse me. Oh, we just wicked. Let's get rid of that. Close that. Treat it as what? Breakaway. Tis tis. Waked into it. So waked into it. This should be treated as breakaway. And then retrace it back into it. So my draw was right. It's just sitting through all this stuff changes your mind. Or can change your mind if you're not seasoned. Which we getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. As any other time, man, I would have freaking put on 4 contracts, press that button. I need a screenshot. Let me take that now. Screenshot there, and then I'll screenshot yesterday's. Da 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 da. Yeah, I got 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm out. As y'all just seen not too long ago, 3 trades, 2 semi. I'm not gonna say semi. I guess they were profitable, but since the other 2 or wait, let me try. Man, I'm getting caught. I'm getting tongue tied like a mofo. So 1, 2. So today I've taken 4 trades, 2 losers, 2 profitable trades. Again, started this account in February 2nd. We're at May 20th. Yeah, we're just gonna keep plugging away. Keep plugging away. I think that's it. Let's check out ES and see. Yeah, see. Man, I would have seen that right there, but shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? 2020 hindsight vision. But yeah, on that one, man, I hope everyone has a blessed, wonderful day. Yeah, I will holler at you, ladies and gentlemen, and everything in between tomorrow. Shit. Y'all have a good one. I'll holler. And we gonna end that. And then we gonna mute that.